So here's this aluminium ladder, aluminium step ladder, rugged aluminium frame. So this is aluminium, it's lightweight, non-slip feet and steps, non-slip elements there, massive top step with corrugated surface. So here's an example, a smaller one, but that's the massive surface, so you can put your feet there, both of them side by side. Protective end caps on feet, those are these plastic caps which are here. This blue is plastic. High safety handrail, probably is that one, which is this one. It's pretty thick. It has 6 steps, so this is just a shorter one, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th one is here. So those are the 6 steps. By the way, the distance between 2 steps is not the same. I have another ladder and that has the larger distance between 2 steps. That's around 24 centimeters between the two, and this is only 22.5 centimeters. So the number of steps is not that good. Don't take it in consideration. Maximum load 150 kilos. So if you stand on it, then make sure you're not way too heavy. The height is 2 meters. So the height from the lower portion till there, when it's closed, that is 2 meters. Of course, when you open it, it's not 2 meters. From the lowest point till the highest point where you can stay, till there, it's only 1.2 meters. And it's pretty lightweight, it's 4.8 kilos. You can lift it with one hand. For domestic use, here's another thing which has this linkage between the lower part of the legs. It's a textile material with rivets. It has a small part here that has to go over this bar. So taking in consideration that this has these 2 corners, this and that, so you need to move it a little bit to the left and right. And then, see, now it's locked. Open the ladders, spread the legs a little bit, and then it comes out. So we have these 6 steps as the tallest point, and there we have a handle. And I can hold myself from here. This goes to my knees. So these 2 strips, they are from some textile material. I just cut myself. So these 2 elements are holding the 2 legs, not to spread too apart. Now let's close it. We have to open up this. And that's it. It is ready to be stored somewhere. This portion is pretty thin, but the weight is not on this one. The weight goes here when you stand on it. Plus on the lower side the weight is held by these 2 straps also. Here's pretty thick. The handle is pretty large also. Plastic elements here on the side to keep the distance. And that's below. I have these supporting elements. And if necessary, you can hold it with one finger. We have rivets here. If they fail, probably you can put some screws there.